Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. As you know, I am solving a specialization course from Coursera, Python for everybody. Already I have solved course 1 and course 2 and now I am solving course 3. And in this video I am going to solve using Python to assess web data week 3. So for course 1 and 2 you can go in the playlist of Deep Codec Guru and you can check it out. Okay, so you can see here this is the course 1 and course 2, and even I have provided for the other courses IT support, deep learning, so you can go and check it out. Okay, and soon I am going to introduce you all with the website of Deep Codec Guru, so you can easily find those all details over there, so you need not to browse again and again in my playlist. So now let's get started. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it, and also don't forget to share this video with 2 or 3 groups or your friends and colleagues. They will definitely appreciate you for sharing the information. So in third week, as you know, I am providing the solution weekly wise to make you easy to solve the courses and those assignments. So you can directly jump into the particular week if you have problem and you can solve. For the one courses you will get entire week link
communicate to that far-off application in Python.
Comments. So as you know, I am playing this video until this is going to the green tick mark, right? And you can also join the Telegram group of Deep Codec Guru. You can find the link in video description. Okay guys, so this
Hello everybody and welcome to
green tick means done. So I am providing whole this specialization course solution, programming plus quiz, and also showing how you can complete these courses so you can easily do it. Now I am going to solve the quiz. So I will pause this video and complete this quiz, and then after I will come back so I can save your time. So if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it so you will get more. Guys, you can see here I have completed this. So I will zoom it and show you the answer so you can follow up. For first question, the option is the request response cycle. For second, a blank line. For third, import socket. For fourth, it doesn't matter. For fifth, an in progress phone conversation. Sorry. For sixth, hypertext. For seventh, which application talk first, the client or server. For eighth, protocol host and document. For ninth, get. For 10th, SIFA. So now I will go and submit. Sorry, in 10th the option is BIETF. Okay, so now I will go and submit. And now you can see the score is 90, one is wrong. Okay. Here one is wrong. So here I think the option is one. First option is this is client. Okay. So no worries, it is more than 80%. That's done. So I am just solving this. 80% is only required, so you need not to worry. Just you can move on. And this is the programming. As you know, I am solving weekly wise. So per week I will give one video so you can easily go with. So here it is asking welcome exploring the hypertext transfer protocol. You have to try the flowing. Okay, so I will do this and then after I will fill that and I will solve. Okay, so for now I will pause this video and complete. Now I completed it, guys, and you need not to worry about how I complete it. You just fill the same data and you can complete this assignment. You need not to do anything manually. Simply you just copy, just see and type this data. That's done. Okay. Now I am going to submit it. Guys, so you can see here your answer is correct. I will again zoom it and show you so you can directly type it. There is a little bit clumsy process, so it is better you can just do from here itself. Okay guys, if you need more time, then please you pause the video and complete it. I don't want to make the video longer. Okay, so this is done. So as you know, I am doing weekly wise. I will refresh it. I will get the green tick. So weekly wise I am providing. So please you subscribe my channel for more video, more solution. I will provide in coming days. So you can keep in touch with my playlist. You can go and check it out. More videos. Okay, guys. And also don't forget. And I also used to provide free online courses.
Hey, hi, Chuck
So
here.
once
We
you
are
subscribe and hit on
campaign.
you will get such update also.
Reporting from CNN World.
You can also join the Telegram group of Dipko Tech Guru. You can find link in video description, guys. So this is the end of week 3, and week 4 I will provide in next video. So guys, now you subscribe my channel, share this video and increase our community. Please stay tuned with Dipko Tech Guru. Stay learning. Have a good time.